You are really replaceable, my friend. I'm sorry to say that, but AI could possibly just now take your job. It's not take it or leave it. It's something that you should know about the future. And I'm sorry to say that, but it's not the future anymore. If humans being wanted to make animation, 3 hours animation, it took months, it took years to build 3 hours animation. I'm sorry to say that, my friend, or happily say that it could possibly done in fucking less than 2 hours. Welcome to 2025, my friend. This is new revolution. We usually have, human beings always have these revolutionary things each 100 years, each 50 years. We all have these kind of things. And lots of things gonna change. And at the same times, lots of things never can change. If you had not a place before this revolution, you will not have a place after that. Because it's not anymore about perfection, or I'm somehow sure it was never about the perfection. I always shocked by seeing some stupid people highly successful. I mean, I sometimes ask God why I see these people. They are not greater than me. They are at some points really stupid people. Why they have lots of resources? Why they have all the thing? And I realize the world works more simple than what we think always. The problem is, you never wanted, you never ask. It's not that you don't want it deep in your heart. I know, all people want something deep in the heart. But in outside, there is only few people that screaming out, I want this bitch, and they'll get it. Because it's how the fucking world works. You ask for something, it gives you. And with AI, it's too easier. I mean, you need a fucking team for doing some project. You have AI now, my friends. You have already the big team for producing music. You know, if you wanna be a musician, of course AI can now take your job because it can make perfect songs. But it wasn't about perfection. It was never about perfection. It was just having courage enough to ask what you want. To be with courage, imperfect. Most of people don't have courage enough to upload the first video because they are not perfect and they are not AI. I know, my friend, AI is not super perfect these days, but in less than few months, less than fucking few months, it's gonna be amazing. I'm sorry to say that, but we are not the most intelligent creature on the earth anymore, at least. And that shouldn't scare you. We are the generation, we're born with technology, we're born with computers. We grow up with social media. And these things shouldn't be scary for us. There will be consequences. But human being never gonna be like before. But in order to be a winner in game theory, you know, this whole channel is about game theory. It's about how a man possibly could win. And all of my self-talks are about how I could possibly win this game. And I'm telling you, it's not harder than before to winning this game. And AI is amazing assistance for you, my friends. At least for now. We could control AI now. You know, I'm fucking sure, because AI is not like science fiction movie anymore. It's too real. And the people underrated its power. But it's gonna grow up. It's gonna maybe destroy our life, our planet, or maybe not. But there will be some fights. As I said before, there will be always consequences. But for you, my friend, now to reach greatness, you don't have to scare to lose your job, because AI could possibly makes music better than you, makes masterpieces better than you. But the problem is, the world doesn't want that. I don't say the world doesn't want AI. It's a thing that the world needed these days more than anything. But I'm saying, for you, in order to be successful, the world doesn't need you to be perfect. It's only need to believe on yourself, put the work out, and ask. If you look at the people with the dream, because there are only few people here you can see with dream, but even though, if you look at those people, you usually can't see their dream. I mean, if you see a person who shout, I want to be a writer, you see it anywhere. You see it on social media. You look at it in his room, he always writing. You know, you feel something, and the world feel it too. And when the world feels something, it's gonna give something to you. It's impossible for world somehow. If you ask the world to give you something, it's impossible for the world to not give it to you. I make it simple. How you could possibly go to the gym and not get fit. How you could study for hours, study books, pages, and you not learn. It doesn't make sense. And with AI, my friend, you could learn fucking anything. It's getting bigger. It's getting better. It's getting in shape. You could learn engineering, making cars even, how to drawing, even for musician, how to play that fucking instrument. You have more resources. And the thing I wish is AI should be free. I mean, it should have some financial things for the owner, but at the same time, all humans being should have AI at the same level, because it's really game changer. A human with AI and without AI, it's a worldwide fucking different. That's why I say AI should be public. And I know about some dangers with AI being public, but it's a fucking pure knowledge. And you want to just don't give it to the rest of the world, that knowledge. That's gonna be unfair. I'm happy that the world have the AI at the same level in all worldwide, and that's amazing things, and we should be thankful about that. Imagine just few people access to that things. That would be nightmare for all human beings. You see, there are too many dangerous things. They try to ban learning something from AI, like learning how to make weapons and this stuff. These are banned in AI. But we really don't know how much we can control AI. but it gives human being more power than any time. So I don't say take it or fucking leave it. Take it and grow, or stay the same. You can always be the same. Nothing will change. And as always, thank you for listening till here. Bye.